When your Craftsman battery isn't charging fully, there are several systematic steps you can take to diagnose and fix the problem. First, inspect your charger for any visible damage. Look for frayed wires, bent prongs, or other signs of wear that could prevent proper charging. Next, ensure the battery is properly seated in the charger. Clean both the battery terminals and charger contacts with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or debris that might prevent good electrical contact. Temperature plays a crucial role in battery charging. Charge your batteries at room temperature, ideally between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme temperatures can prevent proper charging. Consider the age of your battery. Lithium-ion batteries have a limited lifespan. Signs of an aging battery include reduced runtime and longer charging times. If your battery is old or has been charged many times, it may be nearing the end of its useful life. Inspect your battery for any physical damage such as dents, cracks, or swelling. Physical damage can prevent proper charging and may indicate a safety hazard. If you notice any damage, discontinue use immediately. If problems persist after these troubleshooting steps, consult your Craftsman user manual for model-specific troubleshooting tips and warranty information. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, there are advanced methods to reset your Craftsman battery and restore its charging capability. The first method involves connecting a fully charged battery to your problem battery. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative terminals for exactly 15 seconds. This process can reset the battery's internal protection circuit and restore its ability to accept a charge from your regular charger. The second method uses a DC power supply set to 20 volts and 1 amp. Connect the positive and negative terminals properly to reset the battery's protection circuit. Important safety note: only attempt this method if you're comfortable working with electrical connections and understand proper polarity. Craftsman lithium-ion batteries have no memory effect, meaning you can recharge them at any time without diminishing their capacity or lifespan. Replace your battery if it repeatedly fails to charge, shows significant loss of runtime, or has any visible damage such as swelling or dents. Craftsman V20 batteries come with a 3-year warranty. Before replacing your battery, check if yours is still under warranty coverage for potential free replacement.